What is up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this really cute wig. It's my first time creating a frontal. So yeah, let's get started. So I started out by just spraying down the hair and brushing it out. Then I'm going to take my comb and just create the parting where exactly I want it to be at. And that's what it looked like before I did anything else. Now I'm taking my shears, and these are just regular shears from Amazon, and I'm just cutting at a 0-degree angle because I wanted it to be like a very blunt look. So yeah. So this is what it looked like on the mannequin once I finished cutting everything, and then I tried the wig on, and yes, I love the length and everything where it's at. And now I'm just going to put it back on the mannequin and section it out to get ready to color the hair. And I was very careful when I sectioned it because I used a different technique in the back than I did in the front. It'll make more sense in a minute once you see exactly how I colored the hair. When I did the front section, I wanted to make sure that it was even on both sides, so that's just what you see me doing here, just checking it. And then I just continued to go ahead and section it off. So all in all, I sectioned it off, I believe, into 5 or 6 sections. The back was kind of like a big section of its own, and then there was a section like on each temple, in the crown of my head, and then in the very front of the mannequin head. I'll show you a visual in a minute. So to bleach, I used Redken bleach in 40 to volume developer, and then I just mixed it until it was a nice, like, creamy consistency. So my method for bleaching the back of the wig was just to tease it. So there it is where I teased, and then I'm just going to apply bleach onto the hair. But I was careful not to apply bleach on any of the hair that I teased, if that makes sense. So you only want to apply bleach on whatever hair remains, I guess, like unteased. Here it is again, just a closer view of what I did. Like I said, I'm just teasing the hair a little bit to separate some of it, make the section like a little thinner. Then I'm going to take a foil, put it on there, and apply bleach only to the hair that is left unteased. So yeah. method for doing the front was a little different. For one, I used thinner sections. So you'll see me taking a really thin section in the front. And then what I'll do is I'm going to use the weaving technique to highlight this part. So whenever I finish parting, because I'm such a perfectionist. Okay. So now I'm just going to take the end of my highlight, or my color brush rather, and just weave out a section of hair, and to my liking, because like I said, I'm a perfectionist. Okay, there we go. So I weaved out a section of hair, and then I'm gonna just take that hair and do the same thing that I've done. Put a foil on the section that I've weaved out, and apply bleach. So for the remainder of the front, the sides, and the crown area, I did pretty much the exact same way of using the weaving method. The only difference is you just saw that I also teased before highlighting, and that was just to make the sections a little thinner. And so this is the final result of all of the foils that I had on the head. I don't know how many it was, but I know it took me like forever to do it. So yeah. And then this is the final result of the bleach. I also used the shimmer lights once I rinsed it out to get rid of some of the brassiness. And so now I'm just going to go in and tone. I used a Redken 8N mixed with a 20 volume developer. And so this is what it looks like. And I'm just applying it onto the hair. I'm not using any type of method or anything. At this point, I was just ready to honestly be done. So I'm just trying to get it onto the hair as fast and efficiently as I possibly could. So you guys, this is the final result of the application of the toner. And I'm going to turn it around in a minute to show you guys how close I got to the very front of the lace without actually accidentally toning the lace. And now I'm just going to do a little plucking around the hairline or whatever to give myself some baby hairs. So yeah, this is the final result. I put a little Camille Rose leave-in on the hair as well as some mousse. And then I just laid the little baby hairs down with some Eco Styler gel, and I was honestly happy for it to be my first time. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!